Explore and cook. Shahi mashed dal. Heat kadai and add 3 glasses of water. Add 2 cups of soaked mashed dal. Mix and cook on high to medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove scum. After 20 minutes, mashed dal is boiled nicely. Turn off flame and strain water from dal. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a frying kadai. Add 1 sliced onion. Fry nicely. Add 2 dried red chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry nicely. Add 1 tomato paste. Roast it nicely. Add salt to taste. Add ½ teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix and combine masalas nicely. Add some chopped mint and coriander leaves. Add boiled mashed dal. Mix it nicely. Give a nice mix. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Tasty mashed ki dal is done. Turn off flame. Time to serve mashed ki dal. Garnish with julienne cut ginger and some mint. Tasty and delicious shahi mashed dal is ready to serve. Do try this tasty dal and enjoy with roti. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.